Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you all are fine and enjoying your holidays. And I am very much sure that you all are following all the COVID SOPs, which is wearing the mask when you are going outside, washing your hands several times in the day, and sanitizing your hands as well. Let's start our today's lesson, but before that, take the name of Allah and say with me, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो नहायत मेहरबान रहम वाला है. Our today's topic is letter B. Letter B, which you have already gone through in your playgroup class. Let's start letter B. Can you tell me that which one is letter B? This one? This one? This one? Yes, this is capital letter B. And tell me, this one? No. This one? Yes, this is smaller b. There are so many words which we use in our daily life which start from the sound of letter B. Can you say its sound with me? Its sound is B. 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 So B's sound is B. I have some objects for you which are starting from the sound B. B, butterfly. B, butterfly. B, butterfly. B, ball. B, ball. B, balloon. There are so many other objects which have the sound of B. For example, B, buttons. B, bag. B, basket. So open your books of Phonic is Fun at page number 5 and let's see which objects are given over there which are starting from the sound B. B, butterfly. B, balloon. B, ball. B, baby. B, button. Let's revise this. B, butterfly. B, balloon. B, ball. B, baby. B, buttons. So you will have to revise this after this lecture for so many times to make it sure that you get the real voice of letter B. Now come to the writing of this. Let's see how it's shaped like. You know that we write over the 3 lines, but here we just only know that how to trace it. अभी हम सिर्फ सीखेंगे कि हमें trace कैसे करना है. So first make a straight line. Straight line and then make a half circle. And then another half circle. It's capital B. It's capital B. Now come to smaller b. Again make a straight line and make a half circle at the bottom side. When we will write these over the books or notebooks, we will follow the 4-line pattern. You can see it that first straight line, then half circle, then again a half circle. So it will be capital B. The smaller b looks like, what you will do first, you will make a straight line and at the bottom part you will make a half circle. Very good. Now we learn to know how to write over the books. So open your activity book at page number 3-4. Let me show you the title of the book. Let me show you the title of the book. This is Activity Book of English, and you have to open it at page number 3 and 4. Here we get to know that what is the shape of B. So I will turn my book for myself and you will turn your books for yourself. So put your pencil over the top and make a straight line. And then what you will do, you will make a half circle. And then you again will make a half circle. But keep in mind that we will write over the 3 lines. As you know that in English we write alphabets over 4 lines. Here 3 lines are given, and what you will do that you will write it into first 3 lines. Now come to the smaller B. Again you will put your pencil over the first line and you will make a straight line. And then come to the second line and make a half circle till the third line. So it will be our smaller B. Right? Now come to the next portion of the page. Here some pictures are given and their names start from the sound B. Can you identify with me? B. Aeroplane? No. B. Book? Yes. B. Car? No. B. Bat? Yes. B. Bag? Yes. B. Balloon? Yes. B. Bat? Yes. I am just imitating for you, but you will done over your books and you will color all these pictures which have the initial sound of B. Now come to the next page. Here some balloons are given which have some letters, and you have to identify that which balloon has capital B and the smaller b. Is this a B? Yes, it's smaller b. Now come to the next balloon. Is this B? No. Is this B? Yes, but the capital one. Is this B? Yes, the smaller one. Is this the B? Yes, the capital one. Is this a B? Yes. No, this is not B, this is A. And is this B? Yes, this is a smaller b. The next one, is this B? Yes, it's the capital one. So what you will do, you will have to color all these balloons which are having capital or smaller b. Now come to your exercise book. I will show you the title of the book. This is your exercise book of English for nursery class. Open this book at page number 5. Here smaller b is given. And on the next page you will get capital B. I will done one line for you and you will follow that. What you will do, you will put your pencil over the dot given over the first line and you will make a straight line till the third line. Then you will put your pencil over the second line and you will make a half circle in front of it. Again, I will repeat for you that put your pencil over the first dot which is given over the first line and make a straight line. And then put your pencil over the second line and make a half circle till the third line. Now come to the capital B. Over the next page, what you will do again, and you know all this, that all the capital letter comes into the first 3 lines. Now writing B is very easy. Put your pencil over the first line over the given dot and then make a straight line. Then you again put your pencil over the first dot and make a half circle till the second line. And now you will extend this circle by making it another till third line. But the second circle will be little bigger than the first one. So I will write another B for you. Here. So again do with me. Put your pencil over the first dot and make a straight line. And then again come to the first dot. Put your pencil, make a half circle and then make another half circle. But the second circle must be a little bigger than the first half circle. Now as this way you will done these 3 to 4 pages, page number 5, page number 6, page number 7 and page number 8. Now how you will do it over your notebook? Let's do that. This is your notebook of English. Come to the given page which has already been prepared by your teacher. Here what you will do, you will write as I have told you in the exercise book. Our lesson is finished and you can see at your diary which is given for today's, that is Phonic is Fun reading page number 5 and activity book of English is page number 3 and 4, exercise book of English page number 5 and 6, and you will also done this over your notebook. This is for all today. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Allah Hafiz.